Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to start the new topic, which is basic joins. And now we have to solve the first question on the basic join, which is replace employee ID with unique identifier. Okay, so in this question there is given a table employee and an employee unique. Okay, so in a employee there is given a column name, ID and name. Okay, and their data type has been given int and varchar. Okay, so ID is in primary key of this table, and each row of this table contain a ID and their name of an employee of a company. Okay, and there is another table employee unique, and there is also a two column which is ID and unique ID. So um, ID unique ID is in primary key combination of both the columns with unique values. Okay, so there is in an employee unique there is two column which is ID and unique ID. Okay, which is data type of int. Okay, so this is the foreign key and this is the primary key, because if if primary key of another table, it acts as a foreign key in another table. Okay, so you have to write the solution to show the unique ID of user. If user does not exist, then you just have to show the null. Okay, and you can return the result in any order. So here is given employee table and employee unique table, and you have to return the each user of unique ID. Okay, so you have to return each user: Alice, Bob, Mare, Winston and Jonathan. Okay, and for ID here is given ID here is given for ID is given unique ID has been given for ID 3 is Jonathan, is unique ID is 1, so you have to print 1 and Jonathan. Okay, and for 11 unique ID is 2, and you have to check unique ID. You have to check 11. 11 is for Mare. Okay, so you have to print 2 here, and for 90, which is 3, unique ID 3, and you just have to go ID here, which is 90 is Winston. Okay, and for Alice and Bob there is no unique ID, so you just have to return null. Okay, so we have to use a left join here because we want all the name from the left column. Okay, so left table, which is employee. Okay, so let's write the code here. First you have to write select u dot unique id comma e dot name from employees from employees table, which is I will rewrite as an E, and you have to use left join because I want all the name from the left table, which is employee table. Okay, left join, I will do the left join with employee unique table, employee unique EU on e dot id is equals to eu dot id. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, there is an error, employees. Okay, there is double S. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.